the first thing to do is to read this question really carefully and then make annotations to the diagram. So the first thing it says is ABCD is a rectangle, so I've put 90-degree angles in all of there, just to show me, so I've got all the information on the diagram. AB is 10, BC is 8, and P, Q, R and S are points on the sides of the rectangle. Those facts are already marked on the diagram, as is the last one. BP, CQ, DR and AS are all X centimetres, that's these ones here, so they're already marked. But what I can add in here is, now I know the lengths of these bits. DS must be 8 minus X, RC must be 10 minus X, QB 8 minus X, and AP 10 minus X. The question then says, show that the area A of the quadrilateral PQRS, so it's this quadrilateral in the middle, show that area in the middle is given by this formula. Well, to find the area in the middle, what I'm going to do is to find the area of the entire rectangle, which is easy, it's 8 times 10, 80, and then subtract the areas of each of these triangles, DSR, SAP, PBQ, and QCR. It should be quite straightforward because we've got right angles here, which means that for each of these triangles I can just do a half times base times height as my area. So I've got the area A is the total area of the rectangle, 80, then I've got minus a half base times height for triangle DSR, a half times X times 8 minus X. I've got exactly the same, I'm subtracting exactly the same for triangle PBQ, because that's also a half times 8 minus X, and then the last two for triangles QCR and SAP. They're a half X times 10 minus X. So now I can combine these halves. I've got A equals 80, that's unchanged, and then these two halves, X, 8 minus X, are combined to make minus X times 8 minus X, and similarly for the other ones I've got minus X times 10 minus X, and now I just expand out. And I've got, be careful with the minuses, 80 is the same, and then minus 8x plus x squared minus 10x plus x squared, rearranging gives a equals 2x squared minus 18x plus 80, which was what we were asked to show.